Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we will be talking about sell side inefficiency. And basically what an inefficiency is an imbalance in price. And when there's an imbalance in price, there always needs to be, both sides of orders on every position. So for every sell position, there needs to be a buy position. So when there's inefficiency in price action, it's showing that only one side of the market was offered. So in this instance, only sell orders were offered in the market. Only there was sell slippage in this market right here. So to capitalize on these moves, right, we will go from you can go from wick to wick, that the two wicks that haven't met each other and filled orders yet, you will tend to see price correct back up, filling that inefficiency. And if your point of interest where you have your inefficiency placed, you should tend to see a sharp rejection, basically right away, uh, with minimal to no drawdown on these trades. So 9 pip drawdown for 115 maximum pips on this setup. Amazing risk to reward. So yeah.